Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to install Windows 2000 Server. Actually, I've got the original list from someone a while ago, and I've been meaning to do this for a long time, but I couldn't find the time. So here we go, we have Windows 2000 Server with its glossy finish. We are going to install it to the good old Toshiba laptop, which is the original Windows XP right now. XP is respect to OEM version, all the blood in it. And I've installed in English Service Pack 4, and I've converted it to professional with some unethical ways, and it's now a mess. It's mix of two languages. It's not good, but hey, it works. It connects to everything, and I've installed Legacy Update and everything, which is nice. So yeah, we are going to wipe it and install Windows 2000 Server. So I haven't really looked into the Windows 2000 Server family, but as far as I know, it's the first server Windows OS apart from NT, I guess, NT4, I guess. Oh yeah, we are older version of Windows. And yeah, as far as I know from Wikipedia, this is the most basic version of 2000 Server. There is an advanced version and data center version, I guess. Yeah, we are going in Droga 1 style, except I don't have any SSD on this computer. It's 4200 RPM IDE hard drive, and it will be painful. So let's go. And I don't have sound for some reason. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I mean, this computer is like 18 years old. It's legally able to vote in Turkey. So shit like this can happen. Sometimes caps lock light doesn't work. Sometimes it gets stuck at this screen. Its CMOS battery is that every time I boot up in once in a while, it has to do RAM training again. It takes like 2 minutes or something like that. It's painful. Right now I'm smashing F12, but I think I don't need to do that because it forgot its settings again. As you can see in the first in the video, it forgot time and date, and also DDR RAM training shenanigans. I will cut the video in there. Okay, finally, after waiting like 1 minute, we are dropped into the boot menu and CD DVD. Let's go. Spin. Enter. Okay, inspecting your heart. Okay, this is same as Windows XP. As far as I'm aware, Windows XP is just Windows 2000 with fancy skin. So their setup screen, first initial setup is same because of that. And this computer is official, although it's designed for Windows XP, it has Windows XP sticker. I think it officially supports Windows 2002. Windows 2002. You get what I mean. But it will be harder to run Windows 2000 because I lost the drivers list. At some point in time, I collected all the drivers for this, but I lost them too. I don't really know where they are. I think it was on the Mac I sold a while ago. And it's wiped and it's gone. Whatever. Just enjoy the slim CD drive in this thing. Also, this thing has the most fastest slimline CD drive I've ever seen. And it's the loudest. Oh yeah, RAID control. Definitely need that in a laptop. Hey, let's install. I just agree, and I will just I think I will delete this. You can say that I have never ever installed Windows using that way, because I always use the OAM disk in this thing, and it just runs Norton Ghost. NTFS, let's go. I think it's mandatory to use NTFS on server systems. As you can see, we couldn't select the FAT system. Even Windows XP supports FAT system. But why would you ever want to do that? It's just a mess. Just use NTFS. Oh really? I forgot that this doesn't do quick format. Oh no. I wish I had formatted it beforehand. Oh. Okay, this will take a while. For some reason, it doesn't support quick formatting. How nice of you, Microsoft. Ah. Alright, I will wait. Disk is formatted, and it automatically skipped to the next part. Okay, system locale is English, United States. User locale. Can we even change that? Yes. Not that. Not that. Really? Location. Numbers. Yes, now it's correct. Actually, fun fact. This is wrong, but it's correct. In like 2002 or 2004 or something like that, we went to YTL, which is New Turkish Liras. But before that, we have Turkish Liras. In 2009, we switched back to Turkish Liras, and it's wrong, but it's correct. If we install some service packs, it might go to the New Turkish Lira, which is wrong. I mean, you get it. That's a fun story of Turkish team. And user locale, system locale is English United States. We need Turkish keyboard. Yes, Turkish Q set as default. Yes. Actually, caps lock turn on, turn off. I haven't seen this in Windows XP. Next, Naxai, the studio. Cursed letters work. And the product key. Let me write it. Yes, I have the product key. Yay. That's something rare. Just wait a minute. Okay, I get it. I have no idea the licensing modes about Windows Server. I just say per server. Yeah, I just say per server every single time. And computer name. Yeah. Toshiba Server 2K. That's it. And I just made this Toshiba super secure key. Next. Now this is my favorite part. Certificate services. Certification authority. I can run a certification authority in the home, but it's really unnecessary because like Docker, Pi-hole. I mean, you know that these are much better ones. Remote installed terminal services, Windows Media Services. This is important. I mean, can I just play media without installing this? Remote storage. I don't think I need that. Yes, I like this. Terminal services, terminal server. You can connect remote desktop with these networking services. I have no idea about this management things. I think it's not necessary. Internet information services. I mean, along support with front page, etc., ASP and stuff. This is basically a web server of the Microsoft. Accessories and utilities. Accessible games. Most important part, and multimedia. Multimedia is there, turns out. Unnecessary. Okay. And the time is 24 hours. What is this terminal services setup? Whatever. Just go. Networking. I mean, Ethernet in this computer is fried, so I cannot use Ethernet. Not like I have a Ethernet in here. It's not connected. It's broken. In the last lightning storm. So we have to use Wi-Fi. Windows 2000 doesn't natively support Wi-Fi. Windows XP supports it. Even in Windows XP, Service Pack 2 cannot connect to my computer with Wi-Fi, because it's VPA to AES and it's included in Service Pack 3, some random update. So we will try our chance with the Intel's utilities. I guess that's how it worked before Windows XP Service Pack 2. So yeah, just go. Is not on a Go network, is on a network without a domain. I don't really have a network at home. So yeah, that's what it takes to install a server operating system on a home computer. Finally, we have successfully installed Windows 2000 setup, server setup. Remove the disk and restore the computer. Windows 2000 server. Actually, that background is pretty dope, but since there is no graphics drivers, it just looks like bad. Low color mode. Let's see. Bam. Not so friendly as Windows XP or Windows 2003 server. Actually, I do have another disk starting Windows, and it's called Customer Diagnostic Tools or Windows 2000 Server Family built on NT technology. Actually, in my opinion, this screen looks better than the Windows XP startup screen, though you can see it's pretty corporate-esque. No network connection though. Literally 1989. Control Alt Delete to begin. Salute. Three fingers salute. Says 45 for LED in software rendering mode with low colors. Hell yeah. that hard drive is just in a pain. No sound, no network. Configure your server. Only server in my network. Whatever. We pure Windows 2000. Touchpad works though. Properties. Yes. Pentium M80 compatible. 1.5 gigs of RAM. Oh my god, that's old. Register it to me. Workgroup. Device manager. Let's see how many. Oh my, we have lots of red flags here, but at least we got the battery working. That will be painful. Network. Network controller. This is the Intel Wi-Fi. Okay, hold on. I have Intel Wi-Fi somewhere. Okay, Windows 2000 better support FAT32 USB drives. Otherwise, I will have really big problems on new hardware. Okay, this USB drive from 2008 works with everything. Maybe not Windows 98 though. I mean, hard drive gets too much excited for a new hardware. It's just a USB stick. USB flash drive. Windows 98. The aesthetic goes hard. And the system lockout goes harder too. IO error. Okay, it never works on first try. What? System log is for. I mean, I don't really care. Oh boy. That message goes hard. Now that's an old operating system. Never seen this before in this computer. I think we need to change its focus on application. Yeah, that is important to do in Windows Server or environment. Yay! I think this is the Wi-Fi. Can finally go to legacy updates. 50 seconds. I think Windows 2000 support USB 2.0 too. It should be faster. Let's try. It says Windows XP, but hopefully it works in Windows 2000. Though I've downloaded this from Microsoft Update Catalog and it said it's compatible with Windows 2000. So yeah. Come on, mate, do something. Interesting. I now have a second internet connection, local area connection, device manager. Oh, wow. Intel Pro Wireless. Okay, it worked. Turns out it's unattended. But where is the management thingy? Without application, how am I supposed to connect to Wi-Fi? Maybe I should try Lenovo drivers. Because Toshiba drivers are long gone. Maybe we should restart the device. Oh, no need to write a shutdown reason. That's good. That's primitive. In 2003 and onwards, you have to write a reason Why you want to shut down the server? The server. Guys, I don't think we have service pack. It says 1999. That's bad. That might be a little tiny bit problematic for the legacy update, so it might not work. I don't care about system log. Why it's full in the first place? Just leave me alone. Guys, where is the Intel program? I do fear. And okay, this is for EPC's driver. Ah, dumbass. Okay, this is a certified Intel Wi-Fi moment, or something that's certified, designed for Windows XP moment, because it just thinks that, oh hey, Windows XP has native support for the Wi-Fi, so we don't have to install the Intel's Wi-Fi management tools. And if you install Windows 2000, they won't be available. How nice of you. It, as you can see, is XP apps. Huh? Oh no. Okay, I think we need to lot of updates. Okay, I will figure it out after eating lunch. Okay, after some hard work and for another day, I installed Service Pack 4 on off camera, installed Internet Explorer 6, Service Pack 1, 4, and the Wi-Fi supplicant. Turns out Intel's program in Windows 2000 only supports WEP encryption, which is unsafe. So to achieve VP to AES encryption, I installed something like this, and it works. Now we will go legacy updates. Legacy update.net. Oh, I also installed graphics drivers, but they are the oldest Intel Extreme graphics drivers, and it's literally stupid. Service pack for it's installed. Whatever, install. I need an updated driver. This is not a viable option. Like, even the shortcuts doesn't work. Come on. Really? Okay, back again after a restart and graphics drivers issue. We are going on. Here it is, the legacy update. And the last step, and here we go. Windows 2000 Server SP4. By the way, you need SP4 to install a legacy update on Windows 2000. even if you don't have it, automatically updates it to SP4, so no worries there. But to connect Wi-Fi, I needed to upgrade it to SP4, and I need to upgrade the Internet Explorer. It's not as powerful as I thought, unlike the Server 2003 or may God forbid Windows 7. It's straightforward. You just click SP4, it goes and installs. So you just click Internet Explorer and it goes. You can download everything from WinWorld PC since it's abandonware, and we are doing this for just for fun. So no problem there. But this will take like 1,000 years, so I'm just gonna leave it there. So now I have successfully installed legacy update, Wi-Fi, graphics drivers, upgraded graphics drivers to less buggy ones, and with legacy update I've installed USB 2.0 drivers, so I don't have to wait a billion years to access my USB drive. And let's see. Okay, I don't care what it is, what this is. I will look into it later, but it doesn't say the device ID, so yeah, it doesn't really help Windows 2000. I mean, it's pretty archaic compared to Windows XP, but anyway, to demonstrate legacy update works, I'm going to install DirectX 9 using legacy update, and then I will install extended kernel, and we will be able to run some Windows XP applications. Most notably, I want to run Windows Media Player 10, which is right now we have 6. I might be able to update it to Media Player 9 using legacy updates, but extended kernel is cooler. And we just disconnected from Wi-Fi. Great. I have an idea. Just restart the Wi-Fi. Yes, always works. Turn off and turn on Wi-Fi using the switch. As you can see, we have DirectX 7. I have no idea what this. Yeah. It says we have Pentium 3. I mean, it's not wrong. Pentium M is based on Pentium 3, but it's not quite Pentium 3. You know. Yeah, 1.5 gigs of RAM. So as far as I remember, in Windows 2000, yeah, displays is like this, like cargoes. Honestly, Windows XP one is better, in my opinion. Intel graphics, 64 megs of RAM. Of course, it's from the main RAM. And this is the second display, the VGA connectors. For some reason, on this really old Intel integrated graphics, it appears as two GPUs and two displays, but one of them is always offline. Oh, hardware acceleration. When turn this to full acceleration. Also, we forgot another thing. Settings, advanced. Okay, this is in full acceleration. This is really important. It comes as disabled on server 2003, so you can run games. DirectX 9 end user runtime and go. 300 kilobytes, it shouldn't take long. I wish they put a Windows 2000 extended kernel somewhere in the legacy update too. It will be easier, but I found it on net. And 7-zip works on this even really archaic systems. Kudos for 7-zip. These are the moves we wanna see. Okay. DXDA. Whatever. DirectX 7. I mean, this should support DirectX 9. Let's restart. For now, we have to go to DXDiag. Still DirectX 7. Perfect. That's really great. And funny, 2005 files there though. This is one of the times that Windows Update outright doesn't work. I mean, like, okay, I don't really have a powerful GPU, but hey, it supports DirectX 9 at least. It works on Windows XP. Where is add or remove programs? Okay, its icon is different. Yep, there is in DirectX. Where is DirectX? No, I think I got it. It's the downloader. I hate this. So we go to download center. Go there. It should be somewhere. Yes, for Windows 2000. Files. Yeah, it's deleted from the Microsoft.com, but you can download it from Web Archive. Okay, it works. Embrace yourself, it works. But 92 megabytes, it will take a year to download with this thing. Oh. Okay, meanwhile, I wanna do something different. I wanna see if I can install Office 2003. Okay, I have the basic edition, but it works. It has Word and Excel. It doesn't have PowerPoint for some reason, which is the most vital thing in a student's life. But yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's Turkish though. So yeah, we'll have to roll with that. And the key, yeah. Okay, username Naksai, company Naksai Studio, which is my website. Install everything, or just if you go to custom setup like .NET 2.0 SharePoint. Why would I install SharePoint? This operating system, I think it predates the SharePoint. I think so, yeah. For example, we would need that. Teams, yes, most important shit. Whatever, just go. It's 300 megabytes. Delete installation files, yes. Okay, just remove the disk. We have Microsoft Office Outlook. Delete. Yes, open Office. I wish I hadn't installed that. This is just boring, unnecessary. But we can use Microsoft Word now. Yeah. Agree the license agreement. Activate using internet. It won't activate though. No internet connection. Yes. I wonder the phone activation still works though. Might give it a shot. But I'm now using my phone to record this video, so I have to find another camera. I don't really have it. Yes. Turkey. Phone activation not supported anymore, so we have to use Skype. Not yet. Hello everyone. I mean, what was presto? It works. Just save it. My documents. Yeah, that will work. Yep. I'm not sure what's the difference between normal and the other version of the basic edition, but yeah, I can write some stuff. I can open it again. I don't want to activate it. There we go. But one thing we can do is we can upgrade this to Service Pack 3 using legacy update. That is nice. But it will take even longer because now it has to look updates for Office. And always sometimes for some reason always Office's updates lags the entire Windows update. Okay, here we are again. Office 2003. It doesn't go there. Not needed for these updates. We just need this. And it's 100 megabytes. Yes. But the entire Office suite is entire applications were 300 megabytes. Okay, we will wait this. But as you can see, legacy updates downloads way faster than the Internet Explorer. I mean, this is still going like a snail. 13 minutes. I wish I transferred this video on my USB drive. Okay, it is completed. Let's check. By the way, it's still downloading. I need Internet Download Manager for God's love. Yes, SP3. Windows XP it isn't update for some reason. So checking for latest updates. Seriously, I need the Internet Download Manager. I can't take it. But meanwhile, we can check the wallpapers on Windows 2000 because I have never used Windows 2000. What? I think it's basically same as the. Yeah, I think it's basically same as the Windows 98 or Windows ME. You know, the worst edition. Wait a minute. What is Active Desktop? Whatever is that. Oh. Okay, whatever, enable it. Okay, I think this is the default wallpaper. And it doesn't scale well with 780p screen. Really nice. Really nice of you, Microsoft. I don't really know what's Active Desktop is. I think it was included in Windows XP, but it's it's deep down in somewhere. Also, this is Robo-Laser. It's really Robo-Laser. Oh, okay. HTML document. Oh, the Microsoft never changed. In 2000s, 1990s, you had HTML as the background, and nowadays in Windows 11, you replace the taskbar with the web browser and widgets with web browser. You know, the useless thing. I always remove it, but the taskbar is still. This doesn't change the fact that taskbar still uses Edge Weave tool, which is stupid. Nowadays, everything is a Chromium, including Windows. And this is stuff. I will download this from my computer and I will copy a game. Okay, why are you here? Go away. Okay, we are back. This was much faster. And some reason Windows 2000 doesn't want to access to my USB disk immediately, so we have to wait it. Yeah, that's what I mean. And yes, DirectX. And it always like that. Just new folder. Thank you. This is just the extractor. You can use 7-zip to extract everything from this. Like this. I mean 7-zip, open archive. And it will be like that. It shouldn't be like that, but whatever. We shouldn't stress poor USB drive from 2008. I wonder what VMware says. Windows 2000, Microsoft Windows version 5. I think they wanted to name this NT5 at the first, but they decided it will be better to say 2000. This is because it's the projected release dates. Yeah, that's a little fun fact for you. And this VMware application is pretty much same in the Windows 11 too. So there isn't much of the change. We are at 2008. Okay, I think it's completed. DX setup. Accept the agreement. Next. Yes, please. One thing I'm curious. Can we like show web content? Okay. This is active desktop. Can we auto arrange icons? Okay, this is just this. You cannot line up icons, I think, like this. Okay, okay. You have to select it manually every single time. Okay, direct. Ah, it restarts without asking me. Being a Windows system administrator in 2000 must be fun, because you have power to restart every single computer and every tiniest nuisance. Nowadays we don't have to restart Windows after installing DirectX, because this is due to the fact that we are not upgrading DirectX, we are just restoring legacy files from DirectX 9 when we install DirectX redistribute. And Steam handles it all in the background, so we don't have to worry about it. I mean, I want to install a scanner next, and we will see how it will end. But we have to play some games first. Come on, shut down already. I have to do some defragmentation to this. It really suffers from defragmentation. For the millionth time, I'm seeing Windows 2000 Server Friendly C+ screen. Yeah, at least GPU scales it to entire screen. Where is the icons? Okay, I really have to defragment this disk. I mean, look at that. Look at how slow it goes. Really, I miss Windows XP. This wasn't happening in Windows XP. Finally, we can look at the X tag. And it's changed. WHQL came in. So that means that the X tag is also changed, and we have DirectX 9C, which is nice. I mean, we now see Pentium M processor. Yes, finally, not Pentium 3. Phoenix first BIOS notebook. I mean, it's not like it changes anything. Okay, install some games. So basically use 7-zip to extract game. Of course, since I'm a Toho fan, we will be using Tahoe 7. And we will see how performance is. At some point in time, it suffered really hard on this machine. Okay, no composition means 60 FPS on Windows mode. I'm gonna select Sakura this time. How about full screen? Not this. Not available. No, power up. Okay, this was stupid. And no Asian language doesn't make it any better. That was stupid. Whatever. We cannot save the play anymore. I think that's all. That's enough. Now, I think we should take a look at extended kernel and install Windows Media Player 10, and I will conclude the video in there. I will take a look at Active Directory in the near future. Oh, I was going to install a scanner. I totally forgot that. Okay, now I'm back with the scanner. I mean period accurate scanner. Mustang scanner. Here it is. I've also got earphone view just in case. It probably won't work without extended kernel, but it's worth a shot. Thank God. USB 2.0. It works properly. Now I don't have to wait a few minutes to load up a 10 megabyte thing. Now we are going to I'm connecting the scanner. Hopefully I don't get a Bill Gates moment right here. USB device. Well, it doesn't do anything right now. Yeah. Now the drivers. It says Windows XP, but yes to all. I will just try Microsoft Windows Update because we have legacy update. Okay, unable to locate the device. Really, you didn't even search because you are not connected to internet. Okay, now it's connected. It's worth a shot. Legacy update has some drivers. I mean, I got USB 2.0 drivers from there. But I don't think it will work. Yep. Let's go back. Specify a location. Are you good in your mind? Duh, it's right here. Found the driver for this device. Next. Digital signature. Mustang scanner. Let's go. As you can see, it's not plug and play. It doesn't work it always doesn't work. And I don't really know how to scan some stuff with this using Windows 2000. I mean, Windows XP has some stuff built in. Oh, maybe. Printers, no. Control panel. No. Imaging service or something like that. You have to enable it on Windows 2003. Okay, it's not available. Okay, maybe we need to add as a Windows feature. No. I mean, everything I could install is there. Okay, so we have a scanner, but we cannot scan anything. Maybe let's give a shot to Microsoft Office. Yeah, document scanning. Okay, it's there. I probably will need the disk. Yes. Luckily it's right there. Alright. Here we go. What should we scan? Okay, we can scan the... Where is it? It's not there. Okay, I will scan the Windows 2000 disk. Maybe I should say colorful. No scanner found. Please install a scanner. Always. It always does like that. Let's see. Universal System Busters. Not this. Imaging drivers is right there. Come on. Like what? This scanner is not compatible with this thing or something? I'm not sure. Let's try earphone wave. Okay, I've got VS scan. We just installed itself and it says we couldn't find any scanner. Let's install extended kernel and we will deal with it. It's really insane. It just works on Windows XP, but depending on your luck, most of the time it doesn't work. It works. It always works with Linux. So yeah, okay. Mm, okay. Customized version, whatever. And it's now we still see half Turkish, half English. Really great. And input. Okay, we are back at the desktop. I wanna install earphone view. Okay. How am I supposed to run that? Version, no. Okay, I think I have to find an older version. Because I don't really know how extended kernel works. Like, no, no, not like that. No scanner. That's bad. Yeah, I think I will handle my scanning jobs on Windows 7 computer. Not a big deal. So I just want to do some last thing with the player 10. So basically we have to do this. And as me run the program as administrator. One thing I'm curious though, maybe we need to upgrade to 9 first. Okay, it's going. Yeah, whatever, finish. This page cannot be displayed, as always. Installation complete. Okay, I wonder if it will play an MP3 file. I don't think it will play anything, because that's what Microsoft is. They didn't ship any codec with it, with Windows for some reason, and I mean, it usually doesn't work. As you can see, this is my PlayStation 3 disc. I will play something, but I won't turn on the, I will mute it to await content ID. Okay, it works. Now I will try to install it again. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I couldn't get extended kernel to work and I couldn't get my scanner to work, but I have plans to do with Windows 2000. See you in the next video. Bye.